Now, in this video, continuing with the combination of quadrants, we are going to discuss one more problem and how to draw it by using AutoCAD. Draw the projections of the following points on the same XY line, keeping convenient distance between each projectors, and name the quadrant in which they lie. Capital E, 30 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. Similarly, capital F, 35 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Capital G, on HP and 30 mm in front of VP, and capital H, on HP and 35 mm behind VP. So first we are going to consider the point capital E. 30 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. The condition is below HP and behind VP, so obviously the point capital E should lie on the third quadrant. So E is in third quadrant. Similarly, capital F, 35 mm below HP and in front of VP. So 30 mm in front of VP. So below HP and in front of VP always lies in the fourth quadrant. This is the condition for the fourth quadrant, that is below HP and in front of VP. So obviously capital F should lie on the fourth quadrant. Capital G, on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So since it is in front of VP, where you will going to get in front of VP? It is in the first quadrant and also in the fourth quadrant. But here it is on HP. Suppose if it is above HP, then it becomes first quadrant. If it is below HP, then it becomes fourth quadrant. So capital G lies in first as well as fourth quadrant. Capital H on HP and 35 mm behind VP. Where we will going to get behind VP? Behind VP we will going to get it in second quadrant and also on third quadrant. Behind on HP, if it is above HP, it becomes second quadrant. If it is below HP, then it becomes third quadrant. So capital H lies in second as well as the third quadrant. Now we will going to see how it will going to be analyzed. Now when we take the first one, capital E is in below HP, behind VP. So when you look from the front view, we can see the distance of 30 mm below HP. That distance is seen in the vertical plane. And also you can see when you look from the top view, we can see the distance behind VP, which is 25 mm. When it looks from the top view, so it is projected onto HP. So when HP is rotated to the top, then E will going to become, the top view will going to become above XY line and the front view will come below XY line. So capital E is above XY line, E dash will be below XY line. Now when you comes to the capital F, now when you look from the front view, below HP distance of 35 mm, you can see in the front view that image will going to fall on the vertical plane. And when you look from the top view, we can see the distance 30 mm in front of VP. So that distance can be, when it is projected on the top view, it will be on HP. So obviously that distance is 30. When HP is rotated down, so then what happens? Both F and F dash will going to lie on the below XY line. So then when you take up the next problem, the point is capital G is on HP and in front of VP. So in front of VP is seen in the first quadrant and also in the fourth quadrant. So it is on HP. So the image will be on VP. So when you look from the front view, G dash will be on XY line. And when you look from the top view, G will be in front of VP by 30 mm. It will be on HP. So when HP is rotated down, so G dash will be on XY line, G will be below XY line, both in the first and as well as in the fourth quadrant. So G dash will be on XY line, G will be below XY line. Similarly, when you are considering on HP and behind VP. So here we can see when you look from the front view, on HP will be on XY line, that is on VP. So H dash, when you look from the top view, you can see the distance behind VP. So when HP is rotated to the top, then what happens? H will be above XY line. So H will be above XY line. H dash will be on XY line. Since it is the image is on both second as well as the third quadrant, therefore capital H will be in second as well as third quadrant. So this is how we can be able to analyze these problems, the combination of quadrants. Now we will going to try to solve the problem by using AutoCAD software. So first we will go to the AutoCAD software. So here first we will go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Now we will go for the command limits, specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, then zoom all. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse, and again you take the cursor to the top side, take some distance and click on first button of the mouse, and then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side, and again go to offset, take the distance as 210, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom extends and then zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet between this and this, between this and this, and similarly between this and this. Then go to zoom window. Now we'll go for the dtext command. Take 20th problem, dtext, specify start point, select some point, take the height as 4, rotation angle as 0, type 20. So first draw the projections of the following points. Draw the projections of the following points on the same xy line, keeping convenient distance between each projectors. Keeping convenient distance between each projectors. Keeping convenient distance between each projector. Name the quadrants in which they lie. Name the quadrant in which they lie. So now we are going to take up capital E, 30 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. Capital E. So here he says 30 mm below HP, 30 mm below HP and 25 mm below HP and behind VP. And then capital F. So here 35 mm below HP, 35 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP, below HP in front of VP. Capital G. Then we have on HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Capital H on HP and 35 mm behind VP. So this is how we are going to get this problem. Now we need to write the solutions. So to do that, so first we will going to create the layer. Now first go to layer, click on new, type the layer by name XY, then click on new. Now we go to front view and then click on new, write the top view. Now then you go to line weight, make this line weight as 0.05 and then the layer XY as 0.13 and then the front view as magenta color, then the top view as red color, then close it. Then go to line, draw the horizontal line of any distance, then you take vertical distance here. Now you take offset 30 mm below HP, so you take offset of 30 mm and then go to trim this line till here. So then 25 mm behind VP, so offset 25 mm above XY line, then go to trim select this and trim this line till here. So the first problem is finished. Now this is the first problem. Then go to donut, go to 0 and type 3 and take endpoint of this and take endpoint of this. So first problem is over now. Then 35 mm below HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So in the next case, so here you want both are below XY line and you take any convenient distance. So I'll go for a line command, draw a line from nearest point. So here I will going to take any distance and go to offset, take the distance as 35 and then 30 mm in front of VP. So you take 30, then go to trim, select this, then object to trim is this. Then go to donut, enter, take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to erase these two lines. Then on HP in front of VP. On HP in front of VP, again it comes below XY line. Then go to line, take nearest point and you drag this, take down. Offset 30 mm in front of VP. So you take that distance here. Then go to trim this line till here. Then go to erase this. Then go to donut, take intersection point of this. So once you set the value, it will be default for the subsequent till you change it. Then on HP behind VP, so it will come above XY line. So you come to this, go to line, take nearest, take this point and drag this to the top side and go to offset, take the distance as 35. So select this and go to trim this line till here. Then go to erase this. Then go to donut, take intersection point of this and take end point of this. Then go to break this line till here and then go to break this till line here. Then go to zoom window. So here you take zoom window, go to D-text. So here you mark this point. So take this text height as 3, rotation angle as 0. So you mark this as capital X, you mark this as capital Y. Then below HP, so you take E dash, then E. Then below HP, F dash, and here it is F. Then G dash and G. And here H dash and H. So now we go for move, switch off the ortho mode. So you place it wherever you want. So you take E dash here, then you take E here, then F here, and then F dash here, then G here, then G dash here, then H dash here, then H here. Now we go for DDIM, go to modify, go to lines, make it 2 mm, then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, then go to text height as 3, centered is vertical above, align with the dimension line, and take this 2. So you take the primary units as 0. Okay, close it. Now we are going to take, so you select, go to CH, go to layer, you make this layer as XY and escape. So take all the top views once. So you take this top view and you take this top view and you take these top views. Go to CH, go to layer, make this layer as top view. So all the we're going to change. Then go to C, again you take the front views, go to this and take this, go to CH, go to layer, make this as front view. So now we need to give the dimensions. Go to dim, so go to center of this and take intersection point of this. So we're going to get 25. Then take center of this. So go to dim, take center of this, then intersection point of this. You have to get this. Then go to center of this, take int of this. So you will get 30. Then again center of this. Then go to zoom previous. Go to dim. So dim center of this and int of this. We're going to get 35. Then go to center of this and take center of this. Going to get 30. Then go to center of this, take center of this. Going to get 35. Then we'll go to write the answer. So here, so you go to dtext. So type answers. So here, so go to dtext. Capital E is in third quadrant. Capital F is in fourth quadrant. Capital G is in 1 HP in front of VP, first as well as fourth quadrant. Capital H second as well as third quadrant. So this is how you will be able to write the answer, or you will be able to draw the solution for the combination of quadrants in AutoCAD software. Thank you.